Good evening, guys. Am I audible to you? Good evening, guys. Am I audible to you? Yeah, Ramana sir is little busy today. Ramana sir will continue from tomorrow. Okay. Ramana sir is little busy today, so he will continue from tomorrow. Today, let's start about programs, guys. Patterns. Today our topic is pattern programs. Okay. Today our topic is pattern programs. Guys, did you know difference between print and println? Did anybody know this difference between println and print method? Yeah. If you are clear with this topic means we can go to pattern programs, guys. It is very important to know about println and print method in pattern programs, guys. Okay. Print method will print the statements and after that it will wait in the same line. Okay. Suppose I am executing some statements means it will print the statements and it will wait cursor at the same line. Cursor will be here, guys. In println method, after completion of execution, cursor will come to new line and it will wait here, guys. Okay. It will wait in the new line. And one more difference is println method can be empty, guys. We can write println method without any arguments, without any statements. We can write println method. It means we can write empty println method, but for print method we should pass at least space, minimum space. Okay. Without arguments, print method can't be executed. It will throw error. Okay. For writing print method, we require some parameters. Parameters or arguments, whatever you call, these are required. It is mandated to write parameters or arguments. But println method can be written without parameters. It will be executed for without parameters also. Okay. There are two differences, guys. Please follow carefully. Println can be without parameters, guys. Print element can be written without using parameters. Okay. That means empty. Print method parameters. At least we need to give some space for print method, guys. Without giving arguments, it will throw error. Okay. Without giving parameters, it will give error. Just keep in mind this topic. We will learn in practical. Okay. Otherwise, I will show this practically. Wait, guys. I will show this example it practically. What error it will come, everything I will show you. See guys, my class name is print test. My class name is print test. Here I am using println method with parameters. Okay, what is my parameter? Hello world. Is it clear? See guys, I will execute line by line very clearly. Okay, screen it not visible means it is not my problem. It is streaming on 1080, so you can increase your resolution. See guys, in first statement I am writing println method directly with some parameters. Let me execute it. What will come? See guys, my execution is done. There is no errors. See, there is no errors, right? I am not getting any errors. If you observe means, see here, after printing, cursor came here. One new line added. Are you able to observe this? After printing, one new line is added. Am I correct? Wait guys, I think screen is disturbed. Yeah, if you observe means after printing, one new line is added. Correct? One new line is added. Now I will modify my code. I won't write anything. In my println statement, I won't write anything. See guys, I removed arguments. I am saving it. See, if I compiled this program, even I removed arguments also, it is not showing any error. Right? My compilation is done successful. After removing arguments, see, there is no arguments in my println method. But still my execution can be possible, right? It is not showing any error. After printing, it is adding new line, that's it. See here, one new line added, that's it. Same as I will show you for print method. I will let print method with this is print method guys. Just remove ln at the end of the println. Okay. See guys, compilation is done successfully. There is no errors in my compilation. Are you able to observe it? Because I am passing parameters. My parameter is print method. It is my parameter. So it is executing. If you clearly observe means, see here, there is no new line. After printing, there is no new line added. Did you notice that? Are you able to notice? After printing, no extra line is added. See, now I will remove these parameters. Okay. See guys, I removed my parameters. Okay. I'm writing just print method. Save it. See guys, one error. Are you able to see it? I got one error. Not suitable method found for print. No arguments. It is showing that for print method, it should require arguments. Got the difference between print method and println method? There are two basic differences, guys. Println method will be written without using arguments. Without providing arguments, we can write println method. But for print method, arguments is mandatory. Println method will add new line. Print method won't add new line after printing. Okay. Can I move to pattern programs? Any doubt in print and println? Yes, guys. Sounds good. Yes. See now. Today we are discussing about pattern programs. Sir, what is pattern means? You may see that stars printing like this. 4 stars. Stars are anything, okay? We say it as box pattern, right? This is box pattern, guys. 4 by 4 pattern. 4 columns, 4 rows, okay? Four columns, 4 rows. This we say as box pattern, guys. Like this. We can print like this also. Triangle. Like this. This is triangle, guys. Okay. We should print. We should write a program to print this like this. Okay. We need to write a Java program to print like this, whatever the pattern may be. You need to print that right angle triangle. Okay. In first line 5 stars, second line 4, in third line 3, fourth line true. Like this, guys. In the decreasing order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this I need to print. Okay. Got an idea about what is patterns? What is pattern? Got an idea how to write? Okay, today we will discuss about this box pattern, guys. Okay, but first we discuss about box pattern. Yeah, definitely Venkateshiva, sorry, Venkateshiva. You will get to know how to write logic. Okay, just follow the classes. You will get to know how to write logic. Today we are going to discuss about box pattern 5 by 5, whatever the count you may be, it may be user input. Okay, we will take from the user we will take the value. Okay, my requirement is 5 by 5, right? 5. My requirement is this, guys. I should print my pattern like this. Whatever the symbols you want, you can keep in place of X. You can write star. Whatever you want, you can write star X. Anything you want, you can write. Okay. And for explanation, I am taking X. Tell me, guys, how many lines I should print? How many lines? No, how many stars I need to print? Interaction is very important for pattern programs, guys. How many lines I need to print? How many stars I need to print? 5. So I need 5 loops. For printing stars, 1 loop. For printing stars, I require 1 loop, guys. For printing rows, I required 1 more loop. Okay. Yeah, anything, whatever you want, you can use. Okay. For columns, that means how many stars you want, that is for 1 loop. Horizontal direction 1 loop, vertical direction second loop. Okay, totally we require 2 loops. For this direction 1 loop. For downward direction 1 more loop. Okay, so I will tell you logic how to write it. Yeah, nested for loop, you can call nested for loop. Guys, I don't have writing pad, so I will explain directly in the edit place. I will clearly explain in edit place. After writing code, I will explain in again. Okay, see guys, I am taking that how many stars to be printed, how many lines to be printed in the n variable. Okay, I need 5 stars in every line and for 5 lines. Am I correct? 5 stars for 5 lines. So I am using n equal to 5. After that I will write one for loop. Guys, my for loop of I will tell me how many lines should be printed. Okay, how many lines should be printed? This line will give, this for loop will give number of lines or rows. Okay, so I am taking one more for loop. See guys, okay, this for loop will tell me that how many stars to be printed. So I need to print 5 stars in every line, right? So my pattern is star, guys. Now here I'm using star. If you clearly observe means I'm using print method. After printing one star, it won't go to next line. See guys, I'm using print method. So after printing this star, it will wait in the same line. Okay, it won't go to new line. After this, I'm ending this for loop. This for loop will be executed for 5 times. Am I correct? This for loop will be executed for 5 times. So the star will print 5 times. After that, I will add one new line. Println method will add new line. Am I correct? This method will add one new line. My println method will add one new line. This for loop will be iterated for 5 times. So my J loop will write like this. See guys, my J loop will print like this. One star. In first iteration, it will print one star. In first iteration of J loop, let's say this is I loop. First iteration I loop, it will come inside the first for loop. Then J equal to 1. This loop will be executed for 5 times. So in first iteration, one star is printed. Again, one more star in the same line, because I am using print method. So my J for loop will be printed in the same line, every time in the same line. Like this, 5 stars are printed. After printing 5 times, this condition will be false. After iterating for 5 times, this condition will be false. So it will come out of the for loop. Out of the for loop it will come, and then it will add one new line. Println method without arguments. It will add one new line. After this, I will close my external for loop also. So in the first iteration of I equal to 1, our first iteration will start. See here. In first iteration of first loop, outer loop first iteration, guys. Outer first iteration, J equal to 1, J less than equal to 5. In this J loop, I am writing print method, right? Print method will add star to my line, and it will wait in the same line. Am I correct? After printing my star, it won't go to new line. It won't go to new line. It never goes. It will wait in the same line. Here my J loop will end. Here it will start, it will end here. First iteration, one pattern printed like this. One star came. Again J becomes 2. Second iteration, one more star printed. In third iteration, one more will print like this. Fourth iteration, Fourth star will come. After printing 5 stars, 5 iterations completed. This J loop will end, guys. After ending this J loop, I am adding one new line. That is println method. Without arguments, passing arguments, I am adding one new line. It will give one new line. After adding new line, cursor will come here. Now my cursor is in the new line. Again come into this loop. Print 5 stars. Iterations completed. Add one new line. Cursor comes here. Print 5 stars. Like this it will come, guys. Let's check is this correct or not. Okay. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts in the program? If you have doubts, tell me. I will explain one more time. Otherwise, I will move to execution part. Any doubt till now? Here in case of, I will take string. It will be better for me. Yeah. Let me execute it. After executing, I will explain one more time, okay? I will explain one more time, guys. Don't worry. I will repeat, okay? See, guys, if you observe means my compilation is done successful. Am I correct? There is no errors. Now, I will execute my program. Are you able to observe this? Wait, guys, I will zoom it one more time. Is it observing now? Able to see now? Are you able to see now, guys? How many lines it is printed? 5 stars, 5 lines. Perfect, right? Five stars for 5 lines. If you want how many stars you want, you can give. I will give 10, okay? Here I am giving 10. I will execute one more time. See, guys, 10 stars for 10 lines. It is printing 10 stars for 10 lines. Am I correct? Now observe, guys. For printing this pattern, I am using 2 for loops. For printing pattern like this, guys, I am using two for loops, correct? For horizontal direction, I am using one for loop. My for loop is I for loop from I equal to 1 to I less than equal to 5. This will give me how many lines I should print. Am I correct? For this direction, for downward direction, I will use one more loop. Sorry, this is my J loop. J loop will give me how many stars to be printed. I loop will give me how many lines to be printed. I equal to 1 to I less than equal to 5. Clear, guys? In first iteration of my I equal to 1, first iteration will become, this is my first iteration, guys. See, this is my first iteration. In this J equal to 1, I will divide each loop with different colors. Please observe carefully. In the first iteration, my for loop is started here, guys. I equal to 1 started here. J equal to 1. J less than equal to 5. Here my J loop will start. In this I am printing using print method. I am printing star. Am I correct? After this I am ending outer for loop with printing some statement, that is which is println. Am I correct? In the first iteration of I equal to 1, in the first iteration, it will come to the inner for loop. It will come to the inner for loop. This loop will run 5 times. This will run 5 times, guys. In each and every iteration, it will print 1 star. That's it. Each and every iteration, it will print 1 star. So it will iterate for 5 times. Am I correct? It will iterate for 5 times. So 5 stars are printed. After this loop will end. Execution stops. It will come to this line and it will add one new line. After printing this line, see here, if you observe it, after printing this, cursor will comes here and my cursor is now here. That is iteration 2. Again inner loop will start. It will run for 5 times. One more time it will run for 5 times. This will completed. After this, one more new line added. Cursor will come here. Like this each and every iteration will come, guys. Till any doubts? Any doubts? If you have doubts, please ask me, guys. No doubts. Yeah, that's good. Sounds good. Thank you. See, guys, now my requirement changes. We are humans, right? We will do practicals on everything. So now my requirement is in first line. I need box shape with hole. Like this I need. Wait. We'll change color. Five. In first line I need 5 stars. In second line I need like this, guys. Are you able to observe this? Is it visible, guys? Same program with little bit modifications. In first line, I need all. In last line, I need to print all. In first row, I need all stars. In last row, I need all stars. That means borders. Am I correct? Borders, endpoints, start and end. First line, last line. First row, last row. Whole empty. Remaining empty. Like this, my pattern should be printed, guys. Understood this pattern? I will explain the logic. Don't worry. It's very simple. Just one small condition we will use here. Just tell me that is my question clear? I will explain, guys. Don't worry. Please tell me is my question understood or not? If you want, I will provide you that strong number, Armstrong number in range programs. I will directly provide you the notes, don't material. You can go through it. But tell me that is this question clear for you? Is this question clear for you? First line, last line. First row, last row. Like this, I need to print. Okay? For this, just simple, guys. Do you know if condition? You guys know about if condition? If condition. Are you clear? Have an idea about if condition? Tell me, guys, in which. Wait, I will write one more time this. For just understanding purpose, I am writing this, guys. Don't worry. Whatever you want, you can use. Okay. See, when I equal to 1, this is I equal to 1, right? Am I correct? This is I equal to 1. Sorry, j equal to 1. I equal to 1, j equal to 1, right? Both. First line, first column, right? First row, first column. I equal to 1, j equal to 1. This is last line, guys. This is the end. So, I equal to n and j equal to n. Am I correct? Initial points, end points. This is initial condition. This is end condition. Am I correct? Just use this condition, guys. I equal to 1, j equal to 1, I equal to n, j equal to n. Whole pattern is completed, guys. See here. Like this, my iteration should be printed. Like this. Horizontal direction. For printing in horizontal direction, which loop is responsible, guys? I loop or j loop? For printing in horizontal direction, this direction, as I mentioned here, in this direction, I need to print. Which loop is J loop, right? Yeah, J loop. J guys, J. I will be for rows. I equal to rows. It will print in downward direction. J equal to columns. You can say columns or this direction. J loop. And tell me this condition, guys. Which line it is? Here, which line it is? Which line it is, guys? First line. Am I correct? This is my first line, right? Yeah. So whenever J equal to 1, then print all stars. Same. Tell me this, guys. Which line it is? Which iteration it is? Which line? Last line. Am I correct? This is last line. Am I correct? Nth line. J double equal to N. This is for first line. Here's my mouse. This is my first line. This is my last line. My pattern is will be print like this. See here, like this it will print. Let's check it will work or not. Okay. I equal to 1 or J equal to N. We will test these two conditions. Just test this. Okay. See here. My program is hello box pattern, guys, because in the middle of the box it is empty, so it is called hollow box pattern. In this line, see here, I am writing one if condition. If J double equal to 1, I am using logical OR, guys. Did you remember this or forgotten? Logical operations, conditional statements. Did you remember this or forgotten, guys? Remember, right? Logical OR operator. What is logical OR, guys? Tell me. Can anyone tell me what is logical OR? Yeah, perfect, guys. Thank you. You saved me. By remember this, you saved me. Okay. Logical OR means either one condition should be satisfied. Either this or this. At least one. Am I correct? That means, understood, guys? In the first iteration, J equal to 1, it will print star. Right? In J equal to N, in which conditions J and I are equal, guys? You guys are on a wrong track, guys. See, don't trust blindly. I'm making you that. I'm thinking you guys will ask. You guys will ask, but you guys are not asking anything. I'm telling that this is for horizontal direction. This is vertical direction. J equal to 1 means how many iterations it will do, guys? It will print in this and in this line. That's it, right? j equal to 1 and j equal to n. Here, here. Is this conditions correct? 1, 2. I will make you very clear, right? See. I got an idea to explain you. This is j. Am I correct? This is j, right? This is I. Am I correct? I am telling condition that j equal to 1, j equal to n. That is 5. Tell me where is j equal to 1? Here j equal to 1. Here j equal to 5. That's it. I am checking you. Are you listening or not? But you guys are for everything yes, yes, yes. I asked 10 times. Any doubts, any doubts, any doubts. But you guys are blindly telling yes, yes, yes. See my output for this. What will be the output? J equal to 1, j equal to n. Yeah, some are following. For remaining people, I am just printing this. Don't worry, I will add space also. Okay. For remaining people, those who have doubts, for them, I am writing this. Okay. Don't worry, I will add space also. This is not the perfect program, complete program. Okay. See here, only 2 stars are printing, and this is 10. Don't worry, I will make it for 5 only. Only 2 stars are printing. Am I correct? So as they said, else part also I will write else part. In else part I am printing, if it is satisfied, print star. Else I am printing one space. According to you, it should print like this, right? According to you guys, it will print like this. You are expecting answer like this, but it is not give like this answer, guys. It will give like this because J loop is responsible for horizontal direction. I said this is responsible for horizontal direction. See here. Did you got this? Yes, guys, give me a minute. I will paste your attendance link in the chat box. Give me a minute. Okay? I'm pasting your attendance link. Wait a minute. Wait, guys, I'm pasting your attendance link. Yes, guys, your attendance link is in your chat box. Go and check. I'm giving 5 minutes of time. Okay? Please go and fill attendance fastly. Come back. We need to complete two more patterns today. After Hello program, we need to complete one more pattern, guys. So come back fastly. I'm giving 5 minutes of time. Okay? Are you guys done? See, whenever j equal to 1 means this is j equal to 1. So it will print in this line. In this place it will print and j equal to n. And I am telling j equal to n. Where j equal to n? Here j equal to n. So here one star is printed. This is j equal to 1, this is j equal to 5. Like this it will print, guys. Am I correct? As I said, j is responsible for horizontal direction. This is horizontal direction. In first place and fifth place I am printing star. Sir, now I want this direction also. At that time you need to write I equal to 1 and I equal to 5. Okay, if you write this you will get, I don't know about your ID cards, guys. You need to ask with the HRs. They said clearly. Observe here. This is responsible for J is responsible for horizontal direction. Whenever J is 1, it will print in these places. Always printing will be in the direction, right? In this direction. So it will print in the first place, J equal to 1. And again J equal to 5. So at the fifth position also it will print one more star. Like this it will be printed. Okay. Guys, that should be, you should ask about your ID cards to HRs. Ask your group admins. Okay, group admins are HR department. We are not HR department, guys, we are trainers. So whenever j equal to 1 or j equal to 5, the first place and fifth place my star is printed. Okay, the first place and fifth place. Now these places are empty, I need to print in these places also. This is I equal to 1. At that time this loop will be executed, guys. Fully execute. I need to execute this loop fully. So I will write here or condition I equal to 1 or I equal to n. This will say that fully program, qualified program. This will give fully qualified program. See, guys, is it visible? Is it visible? This is, this line will be printed by this line, guys. Let me copy this. This is, I will mention with different colors, guys. See here, this is j equal to 1. This is j equal to 5. This is I equal to 1. This is I equal to 5. Understood, guys? Sir, I want middle line also. Sir, I want print middle line also like this. I want to print like this, sir. At the time, just add one more condition, guys. That is I equal to n by 2. Okay, or j double equal to n by 2. This will print the middle lines. At the time, make sure that it is a okay. Let's take 5 only. Don't worry. See, guys, because it is 5, 5 by 2 is 2. So it is printing in this. Let me take here 6. It will give you the perfect answer. So because by 2 it is an integer, right? It will give 2.5. So, integer value will convert to, it will take 2. It will miss that decimal point. So see here, did you got it? First line, third line. Is it okay, guys? Like this you should print. Clear with this pattern? Any doubt in this? Please tell me if any doubt. If you take 3 also it will print, but I am taking with dynamic input. Whatever the user enter, it will print. Okay. I am just added n by 2. It will take the middle values, guys. N by 2 means middle values, middle row and middle column. That's it. N by 2 means middle row, middle column. That's it. Here, whole program is based on the if and else conditions, guys. Whenever j equal to 1, that means this is my j loop, this is my j, this is my I, guys. My condition is j equal to 1 means in which area j will be become 1 in every iteration. Here j equal to 1, first iteration j equal to 1, I equal to 1. Okay, in next conditions all space will be printed because condition is not satisfied. So only blank spaces will be printed, guys. Here only blank spaces will be printed. Okay, 4 times blank spaces because I am writing only j equal to 1. That is, this is my j loop, horizontal direction. In horizontal direction only first condition is satisfied, so it will print a star at only first condition, remaining all spaces. It will come to second iteration j I equal to 2. In I equal to 2 also it will print only first line j equal to 1, remaining all spaces. Spaces. It will come to third iteration and again it will print j equal to 1. That's it, remaining spaces. Okay, now I will take j equal to 5. This is my j equal to 5. This is my position, right? In this position also I will print star. Like this I will print. Now I need to print these lines also. I need to execute my j loop whenever j equal to 1 and j equal to 5, and also I equal to 1. In this line I is 1, right? So in this line I is 1. So it will execute. It will print all stars. See here. J equal to 1, j equal to n. I equal to 1, I equal to n. See here, for our understanding, I will remove j values. I will modify my program to only print first line and last line. See how my output will be. Did I got it? In first row, I is responsible for rows. Am I correct? So whenever in first row, print all stars. Whenever in last row, print all stars. Whenever in second row, that is, I am not mentioning it is second row, but I am telling that in j equal to 1, whenever it is first column, print star. Whenever it is fifth column, print star. Understood, guys? Still any doubts? Still any doubts, guys? Please respond. Still any doubts? Yeah. Thank you. We are we are developers, right? We will think differently, right? My requirement now changes, guys. My requirement changed now. I will tell question. I will give 5 minutes of time. Try with your own, guys. Okay? Try with your own. After 5 minutes, I will explain. Okay? My requirement is in first line. I need to print five stars. Okay? In second line, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this, I need my output, guys. Okay? This is my required pattern. Just try this. After that, we will try for equilateral triangle also. Don't worry. Equilateral triangle, diagonals, cross mark, pyramid. We can say pyramid or otherwise triangle. Okay. That pyramid pattern should be like this. Okay. Our pattern will be like this, guys. Okay. Now you guys try for this right angle triangle, downward right angle triangle. Or you can try for first line 1 star, second line 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. In reverse order also you can try, okay? You guys try for this. Along with you, I will do, okay? Anyone completed, guys? Some are saying, sir, done. How many are done? Guys, don't watch screen. Please do by your own. How many are done? I given time minutes for you. How many are done? Yeah, good guys. Those who are completed, really nice. Those who have doubts, please watch my screen. Now I am writing that program. You can check it, okay? Have you tried like this only or you approach a different method, guys? You done with same method or you done with in a different pattern? Tell me how you have done. Same like this or different logic? Yeah. Whatever the logic, but we need output. That's it, guys. We can write Java program in different logics, okay? But I got the same answer, right? But I got same answer. Am I correct? Now my requirement is reverse this, guys. Reverse of this. I need reverse of this. Okay. How to reverse it? This should be my output, not like this. It is reversed. Sorry. You have tried for this. Now my output is like this. I required, guys. Okay. Like this, my output should be there. Okay. Will you try for it? This is my expected output, guys. Will you try for it? It is very simple, guys. See, in this example only, I will make count equal to 1, count plus plus, that's it. I just change two things. We'll get same pattern. If you observe means stairs. Am I correct? One step, two step, three steps, four steps, five steps. You guys will try in different logic, but I am telling in simple way. Okay. Whatever the logic you use, it is perfect. It is correct, guys. It is not wrong. Okay. You can try it in different ways, but I am making it simple. That's it. I got different answer, right? Is it enough for today, or can I tell one more program, guys? Do you have patience to listen it? Yeah. Through iterations also you can change. Okay. Let me give you a poll. How many are okay with one more program? How many are require stop? Okay. Yes, guys. There is a poll in your chat box. Please respond to that poll. Based on your response, I will. Okay. I got only 105 votes, but there are 175 people in the chat box. Yeah, I got 44 and 58%. 45, 55. So I'm ending a poll. I got 45 and 55. I will give some practice programs. Okay. I will provide you some practice patterns. Do for it. Okay. Is it okay for you? Practice programs. Is it okay? See, guys. Practice programs are same pattern. First spaces, then one star. Spaces decreasing, guys. Like this, my pattern should be required, guys. Four spaces, one star. Two stars, three spaces. In every iteration, one star should be removed. One space should be removed, guys. One star, two star, three star, four, five, and spaces should be decreased. Okay. Don't worry, guys. I will share you PDF. Okay. I will make PDF today, and in tomorrow's class, if Ramna sir come also, I will come into your chat box. I will share that link. Okay. Don't worry. This is my expected pattern, guys. Okay. Will you do it? This is my pattern. And one more pattern is which should be okay. Same pattern again in reverse order. Okay. Let me wait. Give me 1 second. This is my pattern, correct? How to do only single image rotate? Sorry guys, I am able to explain in this. Give me a minute. I will explain in word. Sorry guys, this is not the pattern. Wait. Otherwise, I will write. Wait guys, I will write this. Like this printed, right? After this, my stars should be decreased. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this, guys. Okay. First, I should start with 1 and I should end with 1. Okay. Will you do it for me? 5 stars. Increasing order, decreasing order. Okay. Like this, guys. Okay. I need like this. Try for it. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Are you okay with my teaching? Are you okay with my teaching, guys? Please tell me. Thank you for your response. Good night, guys. We will meet tomorrow, okay? We will meet tomorrow, okay? Bye bye. Definitely, I will share. Definitely, I will share PDF, okay?